Do you want to have a daily dollar income of $10, $100, or $1,000? Watch this video until the end, and I will give you a lot of insights. Make sure to stay with me until the end of the video, so I can teach you how you can earn like me, and have at least $100 of free daily income. Hello to my dear friends. Welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. I have placed the link to this site in the video description for you. Let's move on to registering on the site. In the first section, guys, you enter your username. In the second section, you enter your email address. In the third and fourth sections, you create a password and then repeat the same password. It's that easy. For you to have the first part of your dollar income or earn dollar income at home and at your workplace, and you will have a great income along with me. You can experience earning up to $100 a day using this attractive site. In this video, I will also show you how to withdraw in the form of the digital currency Tron into the Trust Wallet. Through the miner section, you can easily manage your income. You can even increase it to $150 or $200 a day. Let's go and I'll tell you what you need to do. Look guys, you click on the max option. Now, I put all my wallet balance and didn't follow investment management. Here, I clicked on the boom option and my entire balance went to zero. Don't repeat such a mistake. That could cause you to lose your entire investment on this site. Let's move on to the faucet section. Every 24 hours, you come and click once, solve the CAPTCHA, and easily click on the free spin option. In this way, you can have a very good daily income and start or initiate your dollar earnings. Look, guys, you click on the skeleton option or that skeleton icon. In the affiliate or referral section, you can easily have a great income through this site. So far, I have withdrawn 5,000 TRX, which I think is equivalent to $1,000 to $2,000 from this site within a month. By using the methods I tell you, you will reach these earnings and even more. You can experience daily withdrawals of $100 to $200 from this site. Just listen to me, and you will have a very good income from this site. To withdraw, we click on the wallet option, and we don't need to do anything in the deposit section. We click on the withdraw option. In the first part, we take our TRX address from Trust Wallet and paste it in that section. In the amount section, we enter the balance we want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal amount is 15 TRX, and you can withdraw as much as you want beyond that. This is a special offer from the site, allowing you to easily make your withdrawal in the shortest possible time. You can see my own withdrawals. 216 TRX, 24 TRX, 620 TRX are my withdrawals from this exciting site. I made a much larger withdrawal for you, equivalent to 1400 TRX, which is currently equivalent to $250 to $300, and I withdrew this amount from this exciting site in just one day. If you want to continue learning and experience amazing dollar income with me, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like the video so we can check out my awesome videos and you won't miss my upcoming videos at all. I really love you all. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell next to it so you can be the first to see the videos I post and experience daily income of $100 to $200. There are other various options as well, which I will inform you about in my upcoming videos regarding this site. Thank you very much. Please support me, and until tomorrow's videos, have a great day. Goodbye.